a little detour. I just got to somewhere I don't normally stop. I don't have much time here. I'm at the Nest in Palmyra, Virginia. Nope, Palmyra, Pennsylvania. Just kidding. Wow. Brain freeze. Let's go in. All right, well, epic hobbyist piece. Yeah, I can't even remember the last time I've been here. Look at this rubber duck. How cute. Wow, an insane amount of jadeite. That's awesome. I love the little pot. Well, hello there. $50. Oh, she's got her umbrella. They never have their original umbrellas. That's awesome. Ooh, all kinds of good stuff. Let's see, what about behind me? Let me not get too sidetracked here. The fun rattle. This is kind of cool. Not what I thought exactly. This is interesting. All right, well, this has got my attention. I'm obsessed with this Empoli bottle. 55 and 20%. Look at this poodle. 22 and 20%. Oh my gosh, look at the cats. They're missing their whiskers, but still. Oh, and it's broken. Dang. What's going on here? Okay, I'm gonna try not to get too distracted. Love the ashtray. That's at 8. Right? 20% off. Brion. Is this the right code? Yes. Look at the little elephant family. That's fun. Viking. Swan. Me naming things. Oh, awesome. Panther ashtray. Oh, I like the snake one. Awesome little lamp here. Ooh, that's a good price. Also this cat on the boot. $10. What? And 20% off? That's adorable. I'll take that. And then up here, cat salt and pepper shakers. $8 and 20%. They've got a little damage to their yarn ball, but still. All right, well, this is everything. I can't ignore it anymore. It comes to $44. I think that's an awesome price and an awesome piece. Look at this long neck pig thing. Wow, it's really crazy in here. $20. I can't do much with that. That's really fun though. It's like a pig dog, but I am gonna take this. That is epic. All right, well, this is interesting too. Check out these little cupies in their original packaging. Come to $4 each. Right? Yeah, dude, I'm taking those. And oh my gosh, look at that fish behind. That is so fun. $5? Wait, I can't figure out what it says. $5? Vintage fish. Oh, well, that's fantastic. It's got a little bit of wear, but it's so good. Now, also I'm noticing this Ruthie Newton doll. She's $12, but she's 20%. She doesn't squeak anymore, but still, that's a really good buy. All right, so for $18, I am gonna take this as well. It's got the glasses and everything. That is absolutely fabulous. Wow, there's a lot going on down here, man. Really crazy cool. Now up here, this looks like, is it a Japan knockoff of the blue? Yeah, it is. Brins. How cool. $15 and 20%. Dude, what? $12? Is that for real? Dude, I'm taking that. All right, I'm making a pile here. Now, what about this carnival? This Northwood. Is it Northwood? Let's see. I can't. There's too many things happening. 45. Okay, we'll leave that one. And I don't know how to reach this back here. How much is this? $12. That's a good buy too. Yeah, that comes to $12. That's really pretty. Now, what's hiding behind this sign? That's kind of wild, isn't it? Decanter, $18.20. That's neat. And over here, ooh, little cat on boot made in Japan. That comes to $4. I'll take that. That's great. Dude, this is awesome. I'm glad I came here. Somebody keeps messaging me telling me to come here, and I just usually don't get to it, honestly. $20, 20%. Let's see. 25, that's pretty. And then
that's how I would observe it. Yes.
Let's see.
That would be my
Man, I'm really overwhelmed here. And then what about here? Little cat purse. That's so cute. Bangles. This might be the person who told me to come here. That's so funny. Lot happening. Wow, okay. So much good stuff. Look, a lizard pen. Polka dot lizard pen, that's a win. All right, I'm gonna take this. I need to reel it in a little, otherwise I'm gonna have a big old mess on my hands. Although this little blue perfume bottle, $10, so $8. We'll take that too. All right, I'm stepping away from that booth for a second. What is happening here? Interesting. I thought they were salt and pepper shakers at first. That would have been super exciting. Little pin cushion, that's only $5. But over here, this has my attention. Oh, that's such a pretty color. Ooh, glasses. Oh, now we're talking. 18, dang. I don't know if I could get away with that. I don't see an additional discount. Oh, that's so cute. This crazy face mug. It's got a big nick out of it. It's really cool. Royal Hager. That's neat. I've never seen that one before. This is not Miss Priss, but very cute. Those are Nesco winking kitties. I like these pink apples as is. Look at, there's a lemon one. That's so great. Now over here, this piece of Christmas clearly caught my attention. It's probably gonna be expensive. This is an expensive piece. Wait, what? $21 and 20%? Are you kidding me? That's a no-brainer. I've never even seen that. I've seen versions of it. Dude, yes. This is kind of a crazy looking vase. Viking duck. 22 and 20%. This is interesting. 21 and 20%. I don't like the ones that say the anniversary, but the color of that is really cool. I love this set. And the cat biscuit jar, that's at 62 though. Oh man, I'm doing all kinds of damage in here. Look, it's a pig booth. Oh my gosh. And look at this one. How fun. Wait a minute. It's literally a pig booth. That's so perfect. Look at this one. I love this. It's newer, but still. Over here, some random cats. Oh, I like this one. $6 sold. Does that say $6? That's a great one. I'll take that. And what about the bookends? 20. Yeah, I'll leave that. Ooh, this one's special. $8? Dude, really? That's epic. California pottery. I'll take that too. All right, now let's see what's back here. I am tearing through this place. I feel like I should have picked up that Ruthie Newton doll. Starting to feel a little tapped. Dude, what is happening in this booth? I'm looking for any discount signs, so I know how crazy I'm about to get. I don't see any. The prices here are pretty reasonable, I'd say. Let's see. That's a fun jar of, look, see, jadeite cup and saucer, $10. I have a few of those at home, otherwise I'd pick them up. I haven't sold them yet, so I don't want to go too crazy. That's a really pretty pink plate. Ooh, $40. Good grief. Look at this. Oh my God, is this a glass worm? Crystal worm. That is epic. I don't think I can do 24 on that though. Oh my gosh, I just got a sneak peek of the booth next to me. I am in trouble. Look at this. Dude, what? Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna start shelf by shelf. This is a really cool, it looks like a sandpiper. This bottle is really interesting. Italy, 28 and 20% off. That's neat. Crazy troll. Oh my gosh. Stop it right now. 29. Okay, good. Look at these weirdos. $3. And then these guys are, oh, here's the price tag, 19. Okay, I can leave those. Up here, this is amazing, 32 and 20%. That's actually a really good price, I'd say. It's more than I'd like to have invested though. Dude, look at this. Holy crap. It's a giant sign Tenala toucan. That's amazing. Another cat, 16, 20%. See, these prices are really reasonable. Some of it's just like a little close for all the damage I've done today. Snake, 26. Now this frog thing, that's neat. 29. That probably weighs 100 pounds. It's not as heavy as I thought, but it's still heavier than I'd like to. Heavier than I'd like. Look at the butterfly salt and pepper shakers. Those are huge. I feel like they're bigger than the normal ones. I could be making that up. Really fun. Look at this wild bank. $12. That's hilarious. Alright, yeah, I don't have much more time. Look at this Fenton shoe. That is gorgeous. 38 though. Oh, I love slag glass. Look at that. It's got the fish in it too. That's amazing. And the Cupid doll. 20% isn't going to get me very far on that. Oyster plate. Look at this crazy owl paperweight. That is cool. Oh, I love that. Whoa. $58. Oh, it's got liquid in it. I thought it was green swirl. Okay, random thing of bubblegum charms, but also I love the light bulb one. I'm taking that. I have a lot of hot dogs. Oh my gosh, but they're bugs. Oh, I have to get that. That's everything. The hot dogs are as is. Lucky Charms. I'll take these. Heart Charms. Is that a cat? No, it's broken. Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun. All right, time is of the essence. I have had a blast in here, but I'm like trashed. What is this weird cat? $5.25. He's fantastic. USA. He's so weird. Somebody drew eyelashes on him. 20%. Okay, well that sold me. I'll take him for $4. And then over here there was something else I was looking at. Yeah, look at this. It looks interesting. The nude. This troll planter thingy. $9.75 and 20% off. It's broken though. Ooh. 18 and 20%. It's got some damage, but still. What about this one? $13, a little damage. This one would be $20.
Well, I thought you, what did he say?
This is pretty fantastic. I think 20 is a little close on that. I think I am gonna pay up a little bit for this. At 18 and 20% off, even with the damage, I feel like it's safe. All right, now over here, there's a lot happening. This vendor also has 20%. This is what really catches my attention though. It's got like a weird crack. Oh, it's completely cracked, just kidding. That's why I was like, that seems cheap. That's a really cool piece too. That's really neat. $20 and 20%, so 16. It's probably safe, but I'm a little unsure at that price. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. That is everything. It's a gourd cat. It's $9.60. I must. It's too good. Look at its little feet. A couple things up here. One, that's really interesting. Grass Dyke Studio. 30% off though. And then this one, the lucite one, I love that. That's 12 and 30%. I just had one like that. And I love the decanter. Or the tumble up, I should say. This nude is really neat too. That's really different. Is that a mermaid? No. I love this guy, you know, he's one of my favorites. All right, before I leave, they told me I had to go in the bathroom and look at the cats. Well, that was a little wild. I think it was in and out in under 35 minutes. I spent $197 in there. I found some really great stuff. I'm freezing. I'm gonna get in the car and I will see you guys wherever I go, I guess.